Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video here we have the question 5 power x minus 3 power x equal to 16, and we have to find out the value of the x. So we will use the trial and the error method. So keeping both the sides, left hand side as well as the right hand side. So let's suppose x equal to 1, 5 power 1 minus 3 power 1 equal to 16. So 5 minus 3 equal to 16. So here we have 2 equal to 6. So both the sides are not equal. It means x is not equal to 1. So let's suppose x is equal to 2. So 5 square minus 3 square equal to 16. So here we have 25 minus 9 equal to 16. So 16 equal to 16. Here left hand side equal to right hand side. It means we can say that the value of x is equal to 2. So we can also interpret this question. Let's suppose here we have 5 square minus 3 square equal to 16, and 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9 equal to 16. So 25 equal to, bring minus 9 on the right hand side. Let's suppose 25 can be written as 5 square and 16 can be written as 4 square and 9 can be written as 3 square. So you know that according to the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So 5 square is hypotenuse, it means 25, and 4 square is perpendicular, it means perpendicular is 16, and 3 square is base, it means base is 9. So this is also a right angle triangle. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.